right, we are still here at the zoo. I am here with Ron.
Hi,
Correct?
how are you? Ron Ross, yep.
That is awesome. As you see, a Michigan fan, go blue, the big house all day, national champions 2023. Is that correct?
That is correct. And beat Ohio State 3 in a row.
Thank you for that tidbit. We needed that everywhere in Michigan. Now, we're here today talking about Miss Dig 811, the notification center in Michigan. Do you think it's good that people use the one-call notification system in Michigan?
Absolutely.
How do you think people should contact Miss Dig? What number do you think they should call?
I think they should call the number 811, tell them where they live, tell them what they're doing, and schedule Miss Dig out.
That is absolutely correct. Thank you, and I hope all of you stay safe, and thank you for being a Michigan fan.
And go blue.
Safety is in your hands. Every dig, every time.